I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color, and this one. Okay, go to insert and take this shape and drag this shape horizontally like this. Shape outline, make it no outline, and select Ctrl D to duplicate it and drag it vertically. Let me give it some gradient color. I need only 2 stops, and I'm going to give it some gray color, light gray, and this will be white, and direction from up to down. Yes, and now drag it vertically. Okay, you can drag it vertically according to your text and according to your requirement. Now I'm going to give it some shadow effect. Go to shadow effect. Let me select this one, and transparency will be round about 74-75. Yes. Okay. Okay, go to again insert shape and take freeform shape and make a freeform shape from this corner, and again okay. Let me align it perfectly and zoom it and align it. Shape outline, make it no outline. Now I'm going to align it. That corner touch the shape corner. Yes. Control D to duplicate it and flip horizontally and bring to the other side and align it here. I'm going to give it some gradient color, and radial gradient I'm going to give it this one color. Select these shapes and send to back by holding shift. Select both and send to back. I'm going to give the color of these 2 shapes darker. I think I should make more darker. Go to more color and make it more darker. Okay. Again go to insert and take a text box. One, and again step. Sorry, let me select caps lock, capital, step, and again select center, and I'm going to Revix new. Take this font and make it bold and place it here at the center of this shape. Let me bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. Place it here. And make the color of this heading according to the shape. Let me select these shapes all and Control G to group it. Select and Control G to group it. And I'm going to give it some reflection. I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller. And the transparency increase to 70-80. I think it will be okay. Select, Control D to duplicate it and place it here in arrow with the first shape and Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it, and you can increase or decrease these steps according to your requirements. Okay. Let me select this and give it the color according to the shape. Now I'm going to select this text and give it color according to the shape. Let me select this one. Select and through the eyedropper or recent color 3, and I am going to change the color of this one also. Four, and change the heading color according to the shape. Through the eyedropper I am going to give it this one color. Let me group it this one that I ungrouped it before, so I am going to again give it a reflection. By doing ungroup, it lose its effects, so I am going to give it a reflection effect to this one. Select all and make it at the middle of the slide down. Let me bring some icons that I need 4 icons. This one, and select this one. Okay, this one. Search customer and increasing the business by holding Shift Alt and make it little bit smaller. Oh sorry, Control Z to bake. Now I am selecting one by one, group, ungroup. Through this way we can convert the SVG file to fill. So it converts to fill. group, ungroup, yes, and again Control G to group it. This one, group, ungroup, yes, and Control G to group it again. So I'm going to shape fill, no fill, shape outline, and give it the color according to the shape. Okay, select this one, fill, shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, give the color according to the shape. So the idea is going through number 2, so I'm going to give this one color and place it here. Okay, shape fill, no fill, and give the color according to the shape. Select this one, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, and give the color according to the shape, blue color, dark blue color, and place it here. Let me fix the heading. Okay, I am going to make it uniform, in a uniform, so I'm going to make it little bit bigger in size, the font, and place it here at the center and the middle of the slide. And I'm going to take this rounded rectangle and drag rounded rectangle, make it more rounded, and place it here. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, give one of these 4 color, Control D to duplicate it, and give the third one color. Let me select from the recent color that I used recently, so again this one, and now I am going to place it here, these shapes under the headline. Select all 4 shapes. Yes, select all 4 shapes. Let me align first, and select all 4 shapes and go to align, and align bottom and distribute horizontally. It's okay, and thank you for watching.